So first of all, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. So welcome to Spoken English by Sambhav Jain, and I am a Sambhav Jain Spoken English tutor and trainer. So today we are going to discuss a topic poverty in India. Okay, poverty means गरीबी. तो भारत में गरीबी इसको हम आज डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. वन बाय वन मैं एक एक स्टूडेंट्स को इनवाइट करूंगा. आप लोग यहाँ आएंगे और पॉवर्टी के बारे में बताएंगे. पॉवर्टी इन इंडिया, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ पॉवर्टी, मीन्स वेयर हैव यू सीन द पॉवर्टी, रियल पॉवर्टी. ओके, actually poverty is everywhere, not all about our country. Means if we talk about developed country, there is an poverty also. Okay, actually some persons are means poor because if they are not able to work, or some persons are poor, they don't want to work. Okay, so poverty is everywhere. Just I am inviting first Tejal, so please come on the stage. You will define the topic poverty in India, and Manvi also. Yes, come. So Tejal, you will let us know about the poverty in India, or what is the meaning of poverty.
Okay, so first of all, let me know you about the poverty. So poverty is something when you don't have a place to rest or stay, and when you don't have food to eat, and you don't have a shelter, and you don't have money to buy something, that is called poverty. And if we talk about the poverty in India, so poverty is increasing nowadays in India, because of unemployment. Because we can see that so many people are giving interviews and all things, but they are not selected. So they are getting unemployment, and they are not means having any job, so they are not getting money. So like this, sometimes poverty occur, and there are many reasons by which poverty occurs.
So you will tell the reasons why poverty occurs in our country.
So, as we all know, India is a very developed country, but in India, poverty has happened because there are so many people who are stay unemployed and don't do something for their daily basis, and by that they also have to face very poor situation, like they don't have food to eat properly in a day, and there are so many, like also there are, as Tejal said, there are so many people who give interview and selected are not selected for their exam. That's why they also have to face unemployment. So it is the main reason poverty.
Very good. So yes, Raj, what do you want to say about poverty in India?
Yes, I want to say that the poverty is in India is decreasing day by day, but it is also a problem for India because most of the people do not want to work and they are poor. That's why the poverty in India is very much according to India and other countries. India. In poverty list, India also come in the most 10 most on the top 10 most poverty list because most of the people are poor in India. They don't have money, but they also don't want to work in other places. But there are many things by which they can do work, but they do not want to work.
According to Indian government, poverty has decreased in so many years, but actually in real cases, means most of the means we can say, or we can we can see everywhere poverty is increasing, but in government data poverty is decreasing in our country. Actually some people are rich and some are really poor. Okay, so there is a lot of comparison like Ambani, and if we talk about some normal people, okay, means they have an means more valuable income and they have more money, but some persons have no wages, no money to eat and survive their regular life. Okay, next I am telling so now I'm asking to Hers. Hers, please share your ideas.
So first of all, I want to say that in India, poverty is too much increasing because we all know that the government is open a Yojana named Ladli Behna and Kisan Bhai, and in this Yojana in this Yojana the female in this Yojana, she get almost 1500 rupees in monthly, and they save money, and because
Hers want to say that government also supporting to the people, means who are near, means who are low, who are already to the poverty line. So if means government will support like that Ladli Behna Yojana and all, so they will not be poor, they will be rich in some years, or actually they will have no problems for their daily survivals. Okay, next Harshit Yadav will discuss about poverty in India. What do you know about that?
So, poverty in India is decreased according to the Indian Association. It is almost 25% peoples are poor, or they are in the poverty, and also almost 80% of the people are educated, and they have money to buy a living for their basic purposes.
So Samyak will let you know, means how can we avoid poverty and how can we actually completely disclose the poverty.
So, sir, there is no way to completely decrease the poverty, but I think the government is trying to increase the economic and growth. Means, if our country economic and growth is good, so we have more money, and then we can buy anything, and we should have everything like a home. We can also
Actually governments are increasing actually so many sectors, but government have to focus on that type of sectors. Actually so many educated persons are in our country, so if they will have a good job, so actually they will survive, and they will not face any kind of problem. Okay, so just Ishika, you will also discuss about the poverty in India. What do you understand about that?
Yes, sometimes poverty in India is increase and decrease. Uh, as we taking an example of unemployment people, who have unemployed people is like who have not any work to do, and government should also give job to them for they can earn money. And as we are seeing uh, poor children, so government also open government schools for their study.
Actually government have to support, and those persons who are rich, they have to also support. Okay, means they will have to support for that kind of persons who are really, means they have no money and all. Okay, Purvi.
So there are many people who have no money to eat and to live in shelter, and I say that we help to people who are poor, so they develop and our country is also developed. Thank you.
So next question to Ayush. Actually, sometimes we help those persons who are really poor, but actually, if we help again and again, so they will not do anything. So what happened after that? Actually, if they will not do anything, so they will always poor. Okay.
sir, we should also help them sometimes, but not again and again. If we help them again and again, they will become dependent on us. For it we should also look for something that for them we should look a small job, or a proper job, so that they can get removed from poverty, and can less poverty in our India.
So Garb, you will let us know about the any disadvantages of poverty in our country.
Today's time, problem of life, both economical and poverty, like that a slave who natural of our
माइक को यहाँ करके बोलिए. ओके. Just Kush.
What I have to tell?
About poverty.
So poverty in India is decreasing nowadays because employment is more over in India, because and the owners of shops or government have to have to want to want more employees to work faster. So poverty in India is decreasing nowadays, and if we talk about a poor and he is not getting a good job, so he can take a loan by a bank or pupil, and he can start his own business.
How can we overcome poverty?
In my opinion, the main reason is poverty is the India education is very high, but the skills is very low. But the skills is very that's why the pupils have pupils have poor.
So Harshit, you will let us know about how can we overcome poverty. Harshit and Divyansh, you will let us know about that.
Yes, sir, we can overcome poverty in many ways. Like I have some examples. Like if we found some beggar in the road, and they are like he is begging money for us, so we can give him some chips packets and some water bottles to him, by which he can sell them and earn some money, and by which that money he can buy some other chips packets and water bottles, and by doing this same action again and again, he can open his own business. And we have also seen in the COVID-19 that so many people left their job and they have to face the poverty, so it is also a very big reason for us. So if we want to reduce poverty, so we have to follow some ways by which we can overcome poverty. Thank you.
So Divyansh, you will conclude this topic. Okay. What have you listened?
So poverty in India is a very serious problem, and we can overcome poverty like Harshit said, and we can also donate some blanket to the poor, because it's time to winter, and we know that so many pupils are unable to buy, and the government also support poor person, that in private school government pay in private school student fees is paid by government, and because in our India second reason, most important reason of poverty is illiteracy, because so many scammers hack their money, and so many types of problems, and we can also help us, and so that's all about it.
Actually, we should not avoid this kind of problem of poverty. Actually, poverty is a poison for our country or for all over the world. Actually, we should remove poverty day to day. Actually, we have to serve. If our country is developing country, if Indians people are suffering from for daily personal wages and for all the things, so they are means that problem is very bad for our country or bad for our world also. So just we have to we should remove poverty in so many ways, means government should apply also. Okay, and we should also focus on that. Okay, so goodbye, have a great day.